Hello everyone, in this video we will be learn how to print this pattern. So these types of patterns will be asked in the interview rounds whenever you are attending the technical rounds as a fresher especially. So these types of patterns will be asked. So let's check it out how to print this pattern. So before going to print this pattern, just check how many rows and columns we have. So here you can see we have 4 rows. So here in this we will be taking mostly 4 or 5 as an example, but based on the requirement you can change the number of rows you have. So this number of rows need to be changed in the outer for loop. Remember, this number of rows should be changed, must be changed in a outer for loop only. So here we will be printing this pattern. So we have 4 rows, and around we will be having 8 columns. So let's check how to print this pattern. So I'll be taking a new class here. So I'm taking a class and I'm naming the class as pattern 15. So I'm naming a class pattern 15 and including the main method. As I said, in every patterns program, uh, we will be take the help of variable star and space to write the code in a very easy manner. So here we took star and space. Initially we'll be taking a value of 0, then based on the requirement we will be change the value. So I'm taking a outer for loop. So here you can change the value, number of rows value. Here you can give number of rows. So if you, as of now we will be taking 4. If you have 5, then you can take the 5 as well. And inner for loop, first I am printing the star. I'm printing the star first. Here we will be printing star first, and then we will be printing space. Here also need to change like star. Later we will be change the value. uh, so yeah, here also here I'm printing the space. And remember guys, in every program, most of the programs will be having print statement inside the outer for loop. Every inner for loop will be have print statement only. If you are taking print and ln, then that will be a completely different structure you will be getting your output. So don't print, don't use the print ln statement here, just use print statement here. For outer for loop we will be use print ln statement, because there we will be moving our control to the next line. So that's the reason we will be using that print ln statement for the outer for loop. Here we are printing this star. So this value need to be changed, I will tell you. So as of now I will be taking this and I will be printing star here again. To move the controller to the next line, compiler controller. So I will be printing println statement. So now you can check, every time star is decrementing by 1 in the first half. So I will be taking for star. First we will be take 5. So coming to the first iteration of a outer for loop, the star will be going to decrement by 1. So it will be decrement by 1. And if you are observing the space is incrementing. In first line we have 0 space, then 1 2 3. So it will be incrementing. So we will be incrementing, and initial value will be -1, because in the first line we will be having a 0. Like same, the stars also incrementing by 1 every time, like a space. But in first we will be having 0 space, but we have 1 star. So here we will be give in the condition space plus 1. So here we are ready with our code. So let's execute and check whether we'll be getting a proper output or not. Yes, you can see we get the proper output as we require. So in this way you can print this pattern. And if you have more than 4, like if you have 5 or 6, suppose I'm giving a 6 for the example, so you just run it, it will be given a 6 rows. Sorry, here we need to change this as well. Yes, you yeah, we need to change this as well. For second pattern it will be taking only, so we need to apply this for each and every pattern. Here we need to specify the conditions, like how many stars we need. Like here we have 4, so here we need 7. So yes, now we got the correct output. So in this way we can print these patterns. So that's it for the day, guys. If you have any doubts, just ping me in the comment, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel to get more videos on the patterns. Thank you for watching this video.